ensures quick tire inflation anytime, improves safety, fuel efficiency, and prevents roadside emergencies effectively. My today's video is about top 5 best tire inflator portable air compressor pump that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at AstroAI Portable Tire Inflator. This portable 12V tire inflator is a practical and reliable emergency tool for every vehicle owner. Powered through a car's cigarette lighter socket, it requires the engine to be running for proper operation and comes with a 9.8-foot cord, making it suitable for most cars and SUVs. Its programmable inflation feature allows users to easily set the desired pressure using simple button controls. Once the preset level is reached, the inflator automatically shuts off, preventing overinflation and ensuring safe, accurate results. The digital display shows real-time pressure readings with multiple unit options for convenience. Designed for portability, it is compact and lightweight, making it easy to store in the glove box, trunk, or under a seat. The built-in LED light and backlit screen make nighttime or low-light use simple and safe. Additionally, its tough ultra construction improves durability, extending the product's lifespan by up to 50%. Overall, it's a dependable and user-friendly tire maintenance solution. Now our second product is NOCO Portable Tire Inflator. This cordless tire inflator is a compact and highly convenient solution for emergency and everyday tire maintenance. Small enough to store in a glove box, trunk, or center console, it's always within reach when you need quick air without relying on gas station pumps. Its fully cordless design is a major advantage, allowing you to inflate all 4 tires without being limited by cables or power outlets. With strong performance, it can inflate a car tire from flat to 40 psi in under 7 minutes and handle quick top-ups in about a minute. It also works well for bikes, sports equipment, and inflatables. Powered by a rechargeable lithium battery, it supports multiple uses per charge and can even function as a power bank for small devices. The smart pressure system automatically stops at the preset psi, preventing overinflation. A clear digital display, multiple unit options, and included adapters make it versatile, reliable, and easy to use in any situation. Our third product is KZKB Portable Tire Inflator. This portable tire inflator is a powerful and well-designed solution for fast and reliable inflation on the go. Equipped with a high-speed 19,313 revolutions per minute motor, it can inflate a standard car tire from 30 psi to 36 psi in just about 1 minute, making it significantly faster than many basic air pumps. With a maximum pressure of 160 psi, it works well for cars, SUVs, motorcycles, bicycles, and even sports equipment. The 5 preset modes, car, motorcycle, bicycle, ball, and custom, along with multiple pressure unit options, make it easy for anyone to use. Its auto shutoff feature ensures safe inflation by stopping at the preset pressure, preventing overinflation. The dual LCD screen provides accurate real-time pressure readings with high precision. Powered by dual rechargeable batteries, it offers up to 20 minutes of runtime and supports Type-C charging. Compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, it also includes useful accessories and emergency LED lighting, making it a practical travel essential. Now number 4, Nobiwa Portable Tire Inflator. This portable tire inflator is a powerful and compact solution for quick and reliable inflation on the go. With triple-speed performance and a maximum pressure of 150 psi, it can inflate a standard sedan tire from 30 to 36 psi in just about 60 seconds, making it ideal for cars, bikes, motorcycles, and sports equipment. It features 4+1 intelligent modes, including car, motorcycle, bicycle, ball, and custom settings, along with multiple pressure unit options for convenience. The large digital display provides real-time pressure readings, and the auto shutoff function ensures safe inflation by preventing overpressure and errors. Despite its strong performance, the unit is compact and lightweight, easily stored in a glove box or trunk. It also includes a multifunctional system with a built-in flashlight, SOS, strobe, and lighting modes, and a USB output for emergency charging. With multiple accessories included, it's a practical, travel-friendly, and highly useful emergency tool for any vehicle owner. And our last choice is Lamicall Portable Tire Inflator. This ultra-compact portable tire inflator is a powerful and convenient tool designed for everyday drivers and travelers. With its small 6.3 by 2.7 by 2.1 inch body, it easily fits into a glove box, center console, door pocket, or even a motorcycle bag, making it highly portable and always ready for emergencies. Despite its size, it delivers impressive performance with up to 150 psi pressure and strong airflow, capable of inflating a standard car tire from 28 to 36 psi in about 1 minute. It supports 5 preset modes: car, truck, SUV, motorcycle, bike, and ball, plus a custom mode, along with 4 pressure units for maximum flexibility. The built-in rechargeable battery allows cordless use and can handle multiple inflations on a single charge. The auto-stop function ensures safe and accurate inflation, while the HD LED display provides clear pressure and battery information. Overall, it's a reliable, fast, and travel-friendly emergency inflator. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.